This is the EOCEAN 54-inch selfie stick tripod. Let's take it out of the box. Inside the box, it looks like they give you a GoPro mount if you have that, so you can put that on it. And it also comes in a nice little nylon bag here, so let's take it out of there. Okay, in the box is the unit itself. There's a thank you so much for your order page, a page on the remote, which I'll get to in a bit. This is the phone holder, which I will also explain in a moment. Here is a charge cable for the remote, which is USB to micro USB, and the GoPro mount, as I said before. Here is the remote itself. So let me get this all set up. Now, first of all, it's a selfie stick. Okay, this would be the handle part, and this extends, and that's 54 inches, so it's quite long, and of course you could have it anywhere in between. And it's just a twist lock. You just twist it in one direction and it unlocks, and twist it the other direction and it locks. And of course you don't have to extend it this far. The other thing you can do is set it up like this as a tripod. And it's not actually too bad. It's got a pretty sturdy base. And as explained, it stands 54 inches tall, so it's got a good height to it. Certainly what you'd expect out of a regular tripod. I've mounted the phone holder on there, but I just wanted you to see that you can turn this any which way you need. It'll fold all the way down like that. And I'll show you how the phone goes in. It's obvious that's not going to fit, but it's very, very simple. There's a knob here that you unscrew, and as you do that, you can see it extends. There we are, and now it's all set up right in there, as you can see, and it holds nice and tight. When you want to loosen it, you just turn that, and then you can take the phone out, and you're all set. Or if you have a GoPro, you can just use the mount that's included with it to mount your GoPro up. And it also has a regular tripod 1/4-inch mount on there, so I put the regular camera that I normally use on there, and you could see you could use it like that. And of course you can use it as a selfie stick as well. And if you do use it as a selfie stick, you'll see there's this sort of rubberized compartment where the little remote is kept. There's even a little keyring loop on there. This is rechargeable USB with the cable from before, and this will allow you to zoom in and out and take a selfie just by pressing the button, and it links up via Bluetooth. So once again, this was the EOCEAN 54-inch selfie stick tripod. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.